In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in a Galileo-powered partner banking portal. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and navigate to your specific Galileo-powered partner banking portal. Make sure you are using the correct website for the banking service you want to access. It's always a good idea to double-check the web address before entering any personal information, especially when you're setting up a financial account. Using Chrome can also help ensure the site loads properly and that security prompts display as expected. Once you're on the portal's homepage, look for the main call to action button labeled Sign Up or Register Account. This button is usually placed somewhere easy to find, such as near the top of the page or in the center of the screen. Go ahead and click it to begin the registration process. If the page offers multiple options, choose the one intended for new users creating an account for the first time. Next, you'll be asked to enter your legal name, your social security number, and to verify your email address. When filling this out, make sure the information matches your official records exactly. Even small differences, like a missing middle name or a typo, can sometimes slow down the verification process. For your email verification, the portal will typically send a message to the address you provide. Open that message and follow the verification link or code instructions so the system can confirm that the email belongs to you. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder before trying again. After that, create a strong password for your new account. A good password should be hard to guess and should combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if allowed. Avoid using easily identifiable details, and choose something unique that you don't reuse for other accounts. This helps protect your banking profile from unauthorized access. To complete the setup, enable multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification method in addition to your password. Depending on the portal, this might involve receiving a one-time code or using an authentication method supported by the site. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully